Is it true that musicians are better at detecting emotion? Yeah, there's evidence that musicians are better at detecting emotion. One of the most striking experiments involved a group of English-speaking musicians and English-speaking non-musicians. They were exposed to a language they could not speak. The researchers chose the Philippine language Tagalog, with speakers talking in emotionally competent ways. In a kind of an open-ended manner, each group was asked to identify any emotion they may have heard in this otherwise unintelligible speech. The researchers scored for accuracy. Put simply, the musicians left the non-musicians in the experimental dust. Trained musicians could detect emotions with great strength and identify them accurately, much better than non-musicians. The musicians were especially good at detecting fear and sadness. In fact, they were better at detecting these emotions in Tagalog better than they were in English. Now, this is only one example of a large body of work that has essentially showed the same thing. Musicians are just better at detecting emotion. This even shows up when imaging their brain stems of all things, where many primitive emotions are processed. Musicians are especially good at something we call fine-grained discrimination. Their brain stems were more efficient at processing it.